If I gave you two processors right now, one running at 6 gigahertz and another running at only 4.5 gigahertz, which one would you choose? If you pick the 6 gigahertz chip, don't worry. Almost everyone does. Because we've all been told that a bigger gigahertz number automatically means a faster computer. But here's the crazy part. That assumption is completely wrong. In fact, a modern processor running at just 4.5 gigahertz can easily beat an older processor running at 6 gigahertz. So if gigahertz isn't everything, what actually makes a CPU fast? To understand that, imagine two workers in a factory. Both work for exactly 1 minute. The first worker moves incredibly fast, but only finishes one box every trip. The second worker walks a little slower, but carries 5 heavy boxes every single trip. So who actually gets more work done? Obviously, the second worker. Even though he moves slower, he finishes much more work. Processors work in almost the same way, and this is where IPC comes in. IPC means instructions per clock, or simply how much work a processor finishes every time its clock ticks once. Now here's where modern processors pull ahead. They're simply smarter. Instead of doing one job every clock tick, they can complete several at the same time. That's why comparing CPUs using only gigahertz is like judging a car by its top speed without looking at the engine. Another huge advantage is something called cache. Think of cache like keeping your tools on your desk instead of walking across the room every time you need one. Less waiting means more work gets done, even without increasing the clock speed. So when you see a newer processor beating an older chip with a higher gigahertz, now you know exactly why. So does gigahertz matter? Absolutely. But it's only one piece of a much bigger puzzle. A faster clock helps, but a smarter processor can do far more work with every single tick. That's why the next time you compare processors, don't just look at the gigahertz number. Look at the whole picture. Because in the world of CPUs, working smarter will always beat simply working faster. If this video changed the way you think about CPUs, hit that like button, subscribe for more simple tech explainers, and tell me in the comments what's the biggest tech myth you've ever believed. I'll see you in the next one.